Hey, Daniil Lanier here, and I want to talk to you about the battle that you have to win, the battle that you must win, and that battle is with yourself. You have to win the battle with yourself. And what I mean by that is, when it comes to you accomplishing a goal, or when it comes to you making a change in your life, especially major changes, you've got to defeat yourself first. You got to defeat yourself before any other obstacle or anything else gets in your way, because you have to get past the mindset that you can't do something. You got to get past the mindset that when an obstacle comes up, you start putting all these self-doubts in and you can't do it. You have to fight through all those things in the past, those people that hurt you, those people that tried to stop you, those people that didn't believe on you. You have to put all that in the past. And I know you've gone through some traumatic things. Some things have happened. Some people have had some things happen to them that are unfair. They're not right. But don't let those things define your present and stop you from achieving your goals. You got to push past that. You have to believe in yourself enough, and you have to be okay saying, hey, yes, that did happen to me, but that does not define who I am today. That allows me to have fuel to push myself forward to where I want to be. That's how you got to look at it. That's how you got to move forward. Don't let those things define you. Don't let the self-doubt that comes into your head because of all the chatter and all the noise that people are putting out there in your head stop you. You have to know that I can do this. I believe in myself before anybody else, and that means that you can do it. There is nothing that you can't accomplish if you put your mind to it and move forward. Sure, there's going to be setbacks, there's going to be things that happen, but if you believe, if you win the battle with yourself every single day, then you will get to where you want to go. The key is you have to never stop believing. You have to never give up, and you have to continue to beat yourself every day, because you are going to be the one that puts all the self-doubts in. You are going to be the one that says, why am I doing this? You are going to be the one that says, not today. You are going to be the one that says, I can't do this anymore. That's going to be you first. You've got to win that battle with yourself every single day. Fight through it. Do not let yourself stop you from achieving your goals. I got to tell you, once you get behind yourself, there is nothing that will stop you. There is nothing that you can't do when you put your mind to it. We've all seen it. We've seen all the stories. Those people didn't get there just by pure luck, circumstance, and all that. There was something in them that allowed them to keep going. There was something in them that when they hit obstacles, they kept going, they kept believing, and they didn't let anything stop them. They won the fight with themselves, which is probably a fight that everybody has and still has, even when you get successful. When you get successful, the hardest thing is about staying successful, because you still have to fight yourself every day to maintain. Do it. Get out there. Do not give up. Do not stop the fight. You have to win the battle with yourself. That is the first and the most important battle that you will fight. Make sure you take the time to do it. Get in there, get the right mindset, do not give up, and you can make this happen. This is Daniil Lanier. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I got more motivation and a lot of cool stuff for you. Go out there, get the right mindset, beat the battle with yourself. You got this. I'm out.